Welcome to Camp's World! Patrick, where are we going today?
Where is it going again? I don't remember.
We're going to Cordoba.
Cordoba.
Excited?
And after Cordoba,
Then we're gonna go to Granada. It's a big Christmas tree. Another trip, another day. Welcome to Cordoba. Say hi, everyone.
hi.
So we ordered some chocolate croissant, coffees, and another bread with chocolate inside. Everyone's excited. You already cut it right away so fast. The cutter and the eater. And the eater. Someone's eating already. Patrick, how's that?
Good.
Good? Yeah. He brought his toy all the way to Cordoba.
Yeah, loves that toy.
Do you know inside this hard chocolate, there's Nutella inside?
Oh, really?
Nutella concrete.
Nutella concrete. Excuse me. How was that? How's that croissant, sir?
Nice.
Our first meal here in Cordoba. Cheers, everyone.
It's Cordoba.
Cordoba.
Cheers to more travel this year, 2024.
Yep, first trip of the year. First of many to come. Roman ruins. Fantastic. Look at those columns. Beautiful.
Look at those oranges. There's like
Forbidden fruit. Unfortunately.
look at this one.
Yeah, look at this guy. No leaves. Just look at oranges. Somebody ate all the leaves. Yeah.
Can you grab an orange?
I can't reach it. It's too tall.
Try.
Or just too short.
Can you just try?
What are you gonna do if I get one?
I'm gonna give you a kiss and put it in my bag.
How many kisses are you gonna give me?
10.
Oh, 10.
I mean,
Sounds a little bit cheap.
20.
Okay, 20 is the deal.
Okay, get me.
Okay, get me.
I don't know if maybe it's against the law. I really can't. I can't reach it. No kisses.
Hey, fine. Hey, move your arm. It looks small.
Reach it, man.
He can't reach it. It's too short.
I'm trying to move your arm. Come on, man.
Can't get it.
Hey,
Patrick, careful.
There we go.
wow.
Let me see.
Okay, so I get 10 kisses. Right? No, 20, right? Okay. That's funny.
Nice.
These are the holes where they fire cannonballs.
Oh, yeah?
Hey guys, you see this bridge? This bridge.
It's a Roman bridge.
A Roman bridge, correct.
Said Robin.
Apparently,
Roman.
parts of this bridge were built by the Romans in 100 BC, but it has been restored since then to some degree.
It's 2,000 years old, right?
Yeah, it's more than 2,000 years old, Patrick. Can you believe it?
1,000?
2,000 plus. So some of it's been rebuilt. We don't know which parts, but I'll have to figure that out later. I have to Google it. but that is incredible. We're gonna walk across that bridge right now. Can you imagine the people who have walked across this bridge throughout 2,000 plus years? Amazing. And then you have the famous Cathedral of Cordoba in the background, which we're gonna go check out next. Looks amazing. I thought that was a real statue, but it's some dude. I thought it was a real statue. I was just gonna go over there and look at the statue and say, who is this guy?
I don't know what time it moves.
That's right.
It's moving. It's quite good.
Scary.
It's very real statue.
That's right.
Why did she cut off the baby?
Well, we'll have to look it up on the internet and find out. It's not a baby's head. She's cut off the head of a man, a beard. Or it was given to her. We can try to figure that out later.
The people are talking about the cats there.
Are they? Famous cats are beautiful brown-faced cats with brownish bodies. Yeah, we don't see those types of cats where we live, Patrick. The cats where we live are all black or grayish. But there's 3 cats here,
Actually, I
and they're all look the same. So they must be related in some way. 2 on the window of the watermill, and 1 just standing there looking for handouts. It looks like.
Did I?
Yeah.
I think I haven't seen that one there. That one I can see. Even if I see it small.
There's probably a bunch more you can't see.
I think I can't see it. Not because these camouflage is brown color, right?
That's right.
That's why I can't see that one.
On the other side of the windmill, there might be a few. Or the watermill. I keep on saying windmill. But yeah, think about those windows. Like, some people used to look out those windows, probably yelling and screaming at each other, looking for water. Apparently, they use this to supply water to the castle or the palace. Hundreds of years ago, maybe 1,000 years ago. Those bricks were laid by someone with a lot of care and skill. Same here with the bridge.
Patrick said he's a, what do you say? You're a bumblebee?
I am a bumblebee. I love to eat my KFC.
So there you go, your KFC.
It is a pastry. I want a chicken.
I want chicken. There you go, wish granted, Patrick. Wish granted. Yummy? There you go, wish granted, KFC. Chasing everyone.
Best bumper car guy in all of Spain. There he goes again. Racking up the points. Bumper cars. Looking for his next victim. Who's it gonna be? Got him. That's two. Here's another two. Oh, get it. 4-year-old girl hit him from behind. He's going after the two again. Got there. Nice bump. Showing off now, huh? Before he's like, oh,